Messenger unable to load camera roll problem, how to fix. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the Messenger has been unable to load camera roll problem. In this video I will tell you how you can fix this problem. If you want to open your gallery photos or camera rolls photos, they will be not opening in Messenger app. How you can fix this problem I will tell you in this video. I hope you will be understand this video, and you having this problem, tell me in the comment box, write the yes, and you can like this video. First of all friends, what you can do I will tell you friends. Okay, first you have to just click in the settings options, go to the settings, and now friends you have to just scroll down, and now you have to find apps options. Otherwise many phone have apps management options. Click on the app management, and you find here Messenger app. First need to, okay, first you have to just search and open the Messenger app. Now you can find the storage use option. Click on the storage use options, click on the clear cache options and clear data options. You have to just clear data. Okay, now you have to just go to the back. Now open the Play Store app and search Messenger app, and now you can find any update in Messenger app. Then you have to just update your Messenger app from Play Store. If not found any update, then you have to just click on the install button and uninstall it and reinstall Messenger app from Play Store. Okay, now after reinstall your Messenger app from Play Store, okay, if you find any update, you have to just don't uninstall the app. Okay, if you find any update, then you can update. Okay, if you not found any update, then just you have to install your Messenger app from Play Store. Okay, now reinstall the Play Store from Messenger app. After reinstall, you have to just open it. So wait here, pre-install, open the Messenger app. Now you have to just log in your ID. Okay, now I will log in my ID in my Messenger. Okay, now I just log in my account. So now you can see here will be I log in my account. Okay, so just I want to open here. Now you can see I will open my Messenger app. Okay, so now you have to go to back, and now I will open my Messenger chats options. Now you can see here my chats options are all there in my Messenger. Okay, so now I will show you. So what I will show you, so now you can see. Okay, so now you can see I message to anybody first, and now you can see I will open my this camera roll options. Now you have to just give your permissions and all allow. So now you can see your camera will be open here. Okay, now you have to just send, you can photo any send, it will be work. Thanks for watching the video. Upcoming updates YouTube channel.